Have you ever wondered why Doritos are so irresistibly delicious? What makes them so perfectly crispy, flavorful, and satisfying with every bite? It's no coincidence that Doritos has become one of the world's most beloved snacks. Every year, millions of bags are consumed, but few people know the intricate process behind these crispy, triangular treats. Today, we're taking you on an unprecedented journey to uncover how one of the most popular snacks in the world is made. From vast cornfields, through meticulous production steps, all the way to the finished bag on store shelves. Are you ready? Doritos wasn't an accidental creation. It was invented by Arch West, a brilliant marketer at Frito-Lay in the 1960s. But the story actually began in a small San Diego restaurant, where Arch West stumbled upon something intriguing. During a visit to a local eatery, he noticed that leftover tortilla scraps, discarded for not meeting quality standards, had a unique, delicious taste when fried. This led him to ask, could these tortilla pieces be turned into an entirely new snack? And that's when the idea struck, transforming leftover tortillas into a tasty, convenient snack. He experimented by cutting tortillas into smaller pieces, frying them to a perfect crisp, and seasoning them. And just like that, Doritos was born. The name Doritos comes from the Spanish word dorado, meaning little golden pieces, a fitting name for a future global success. Every bag of Doritos starts with one simple ingredient: corn. But not just any corn. The corn used for Doritos must meet strict quality standards in terms of moisture content, size, and texture. Factories harvest up to 140 tons of corn per day, ensuring a continuous supply for production. When harvested, the kernels are carefully separated from the cob to prevent breakage or quality loss. After harvesting, the corn undergoes an essential cleaning process. Vibrating machines remove dust, pebbles, and other impurities. At the same time, the kernel's moisture level is adjusted to the ideal 14%, a crucial factor in achieving Doritos' signature crunch. Once the corn reaches the right moisture level, it moves to the grinding area. Here, massive stone mills grind the kernels into a smooth corn dough, the key ingredient in Doritos. Next, the dough passes through a pressing system. Two metal rollers flatten it into perfectly thin sheets, precise to the millimeter. This step is crucial, as it directly affects the final crunch and texture. Then, the sheets are fed into a special cutting machine. Using sharp triangular molds, the machine cuts up to 6,000 Doritos pieces per minute. Leftover scraps are collected and recycled to minimize waste. Even though these dough triangles now have the perfect shape, they're still missing one key factor: that iconic crunch. To achieve it, they must go through two crucial steps: baking and frying. First, baking. The raw chips enter an industrial oven heated to a staggering 340 degrees Celsius. But here's the twist: the baking time is extremely short, just 16 seconds. This dries the outer layer while keeping a slight moisture inside, preparing it for the next step. Now, the make-or-break moment: frying. The chips are dropped into hot oil at precisely 182 degrees Celsius. They remain submerged for exactly 55 seconds, just enough to reach the perfect crispiness without burning. As they fry, tiny air pockets form on the surface, giving Doritos their signature crunch and airy texture. Once removed from the oil, the golden chips travel along a cooling conveyor belt. This is also the perfect time for a quality check. Each batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure the right crispiness and color. Now, Doritos is ready for the next step: flavor seasoning. Let's uncover the secret behind that addictive taste. This is the stage where Doritos transforms from a simple fried tortilla into an irresistible snack. Seasoning not only defines the taste but also enhances the entire eating experience. Freshly fried chips enter a giant rotating drum. As they spin, a special seasoning blend, made up of cheese powder, chile, garlic, onion, and other secret ingredients, is evenly coated onto each chip. An electrostatic spray technology ensures that every chip is perfectly seasoned. This is why every Dorito, no matter which one you pick, delivers the same bold flavor. Fun fact: each Doritos flavor has a unique seasoning formula, meticulously developed to maximize its appeal to consumers. State-of-the-art packaging machines can seal thousands of Doritos bags per hour. Each bag is vacuum sealed using nitrogen flushing technology to keep the chips fresh. From here, millions of Doritos bags are shipped to stores and supermarkets worldwide. The logistics are carefully calculated to ensure that every Doritos pack reaches consumers in perfect condition. Whether you're enjoying Doritos at home, at the movies, or at a party, few realize the long journey each bag has taken before reaching you. Now, you know the entire process behind making a bag of Doritos, from vast cornfields to complex manufacturing steps, all the way to the shelves of your local store. Doritos isn't just a snack, it's the result of decades of innovation, research, and creativity in the food industry. Next time you open a bag of Doritos, remember, you're not just eating a snack, but experiencing a journey of technology, flavor, and passion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.